Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I would like to welcome you all to join my today's online class. Today, again, I am going to discuss on question answers of Unit 12, Lesson 1. The title of the lesson is Water, Water Everywhere. Let's see the learning outcomes of today's lesson. Today, you are going to answer the questions related to the lesson and extract more information. Before going to the discussion, let's see what have we learned in our last class. In my last class, we learned that water is very important for our life. We cannot survive without it. There are too many rivers in our country. According to United Nations, Bangladesh will run into water crisis in future. Many rivers are dying. The Buriganga is one of them. The river had a glorious past. The Mughals wondered at the river. However, due to toxic waste materials, the river is dying. The Buriganga is dying because of toxic waste materials. Dhaka city discharges huge amount of domestic, industrial and tannery waste every day. The river cannot digest all the waste. There are other 9 areas polluting the river. It is time to take initiative to save the river. Otherwise, one day we may suffer from pure drinking water. Now, let's start solving question answers of the lesson. As you know, each question will carry 2 marks, so you have to write the answers elaborately. In your examination, you have to answer from 5 questions. Each question will carry 2 marks. Before writing the answer of the question, first find out the tense of the question. According to the tense of the question, write the answer. The other thing you have to remember that try to write down the answer using your creativity. Don't copy the answer from the text and try to write the answer elaborately. If you follow the rules, you will be able to cut a good figure in question answers. No need to worry about it. What you need to do is to practice more and more. That's why today we are going to practice some other questions of the lesson. I hope all the answers will be clear to you. So let's start our question answers. So dear learners, let's start answering the following questions. Question number 11. What do you think is the condition of the rivers of our country? Here the question is given in present form, so write down the answer in present form also. Here is the answer. Though rivers play a vital role in our life, literature, economy and culture, they are not in a good shape. It is unfortunate that some of them are already dead and the rest of them are going through the pangs of death owing to our cruel treatment to them. I hope the answer is clear to you. Now look at question number 12. What is the commercial value of the river Buriganga? So here you have to write the commercial value of the river. Here is the answer. The river Buriganga had a glorious past. Once it was a tributary of the mighty Gangas. The Mughals established the capital city on its bank. Then the river provided the city with pure drinking water and promoted trade and commerce. Though polluted, still it is the prime spot of trade and commerce in our country. Now look at question number 13. What did the Mughals marvel at? What was the outcome of it? Here you see the question is given in past tense. So you have to write the answer in past tense. Now look at the answer. The Mughals marveled at the tide level of the Buriganga, and so they founded their capital Jahangirnagar on its bank in 1610. Then the river provided pure drinking water and fully supported trade and commerce both at home and abroad. Look at question number 14. We, the people, are responsible for the catastrophe of our rivers. Do you agree? Why or why not? The answer is yes. I completely agree with this statement. Every day we dump into rivers huge quantities of toxic chemicals and waste produced from mills and factories, hospitals and clinics, households and other establishments, which are polluting the rivers. As a result, the rivers are gradually dying. Question number 15. What may happen if we do not take care of our rivers? Here is the answer. If we do not take care of our rivers, there may come a time when we will cry, water, water, and find it nowhere. Question number 16. Do you think the Buriganga river is dying? If so, why? Here is the answer. Yes, I think the Buriganga is dying. Every day, huge amounts of waste are released into it. Consequently, its water is getting polluted. The river is gradually getting stagnant and filled up. Question number 17. What, according to you, are the significance of water? According to me, water is very significant in the life of all animals and plants. Without water, no animal or plant can live. This is why the other name of water is life. Question number 18. Why have the United Nations identified drinking water problem as a challenge? The answer is the United Nations has identified drinking water problem as a challenge as we are heading towards a critical state as far as pure water is concerned. Now, water is polluted in various ways and rivers are dying. Question number 19. Narrate the conditions of the rivers in Bangladesh in your own words. Here is the answer. The conditions of the rivers in Bangladesh are very pitiful. The rivers are not in good shape. A few are already dead, and several are going through the pangs of death. The water of the rivers is getting polluted and stagnant in various ways. Question number 20. What has been depicted in the report published in the Daily Sun? A pitiful picture of the river Buriganga has been depicted in a report published in the Daily Sun. The report describes what has happened to the river and why? According to it, the water of the river is polluted and a perpetual stench fills the air around it. The river has lost its glorious past. Now it's time to give you some homework. Dear learners, your homework is to solve all these questions. First question is, what did the river get in return? Question number 2. What, according to the writer, is the cruel, thoughtless treatment on the part of us to the river Buriganga? Question number 3. Why did the Mughals found their capital on the bank of the Buriganga? Question number 4. How did the river Buriganga benefit the Mughals at that time? Question number 5. What is the condition of the Buriganga according to newspaper report? Question number 6. How do we feed the river every day? Question number 7. Why it is said that the other name of water is life? Question number 8. But that is not what it was like before. Explain. Question number 9. How did the Buriganga get its name? Question number 10. Do we need to worry about the problem as ours is a land of rivers and we have plenty of rainfall? Give reasons for your answer. Dear learners, now I am going to tell you some things you need to remember before writing the question answers. Before writing the answers, first find the tense of the questions. According to the tense of the question, try to write the answer. The other thing you have to remember that try to write the answer of the question using your creativity. Don't copy the answers from the text. I think all the answers are clear to you. And the other thing you need to remember, try to write the answers elaborately. If you follow the rules, inshallah, you will be able to cut a good figure in this topic. No need to worry. What you need to do is to practice the question answers more and more. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class with full attention. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy our online classes. In my next class, I will discuss on flowchart from Unit 12, Lesson 1. Till then, best of luck.